In your career as a student, there's going to be courses that challenge you. That's the point of higher education, is to challenge your intellectual ability. Not in a sense to wean you out and get you out of the system, but rather to show you how far you can push yourself, how much you can grow as a student.
We don't do any science without a basic understanding of math, algebra, and even some calculus. There are a lot of tools out there that you can use to teach yourself math. You can take classes, you can go on the internet. You're going to use it, it's going to become routine to you. It's something surmountable. It's not an impossible situation.
Even though you might encounter a class that you find that you're struggling with, that could just be one little subject within the scope of that class that semester. And if you power through those few weeks, then the class could get easier, and once you learn the material, you'll do a lot better.
My best advice would be just to take it one day at a time, and that as you go through these courses, you know more than you think you do. But it's a process. You just kind of have to, everything builds on itself, and you kind of have to just take it one step at a time and not feel badly if you don't quite get something at first.
Chemistry is always a tough subject, but it should not keep you from being a soil scientist. Like cooking, chemistry at the beginning is about recipes. And once you master the recipes, then you can begin to experiment, and then you can create things that are better than the recipes.
Science encompasses a lot of different career fields. If you get started in something and you find that it's not what you want or what you thought, chances are you're going in the right direction, but maybe you need to switch just a little bit. I would say from my own example, I started out in environmental science and it wasn't quite what I wanted, but once I switched to soils, it was exactly what I wanted. So I really think with science, if you're interested in it, there's something out there for everyone.
When I struggled with my curriculum, I really utilized the free tutoring that we have here on campus. And another thing that really helped me with my struggles is my advisor.
Professors love to hear from students. I have never met a professor who did not enjoy talking to a student.
Come to my office. Come to my office and talk to me, please. I can't help you unless you let me know what's going on. I can't teach you unless there's a connection somehow. I don't even necessarily have to have that connection in person. Give me a call, email me.
When you introduce yourself to the professor, and it's in their office hours, you have set yourself, if you're in a class of 150, you're now one person amongst a class of 149 people. It also allows that relationship to start building. So if maybe later down the road you find, if you're in sciences, your professor has an interest that's your interest, can you partner up with that professor to do research? Beyond college, if you want to go to grad school, it's a recommendation letter, and it's the difference between a form letter and a personal letter, when the professors truly know who you are.
To succeed in college, go to class, study, read the textbook, ask questions by meeting with your professors and faculty advisors. Join a club. Not a lot of clubs, just join one or two that are related to your major, and build a strong support network that'll help you succeed and do well in your career.